Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. It's me again, Evelia Sadullo, a teacher whose passion is to do some video tutorials and product review. So today I will be showing you my new IP camera, a kind of spy camera which I bought from Lazada. So before we review the product, let us try to unpack this first. Help me in unpacking my IP camera. Naka-wrap siya ng bubble wrap. So I bought also memory card for IP camera. So this is a Skone micro SD camera. This is 32 gigabytes. Okay, this is the box. Saan ba ito? Panoramic camera. Wi-Fi smart. Mayroon siyang wifi. Okay, open natin yung box. Yaks. Uy, bigat. Okay. Ito siya. Mayroon siyang user manual. Andito na siya. Isa siyang bulb. Isa siyang bulb. Safe using electricity. Meron siya ditong receptacle. Siguro po hindi na ang gamitan ng ibang receptacle ito. Then, nasaan yung lalagyan ng dito yung lalagyan ng memory card. Saan dito yung camera. Yan sa ano, sa gitna. Okay. So, it look like I will be showing you the videos of this camera later. Okay, by the way guys, before you can use the IP camera, you need to download first the app of this IP 360 panoramic camera, which is the, I do not know if you can see that on screen, B380S app on our mobile phone. So it is on our mobile phone because that will be our it is where we can see what is happening on that area where we attach the camera. Then after that, you can already attach or according to the user manual, electrify the camera. So meaning we need to attach already the camera to the socket having the electricity, and then you can switch that on, and make sure to attach also the memory card. Do not forget to attach the memory card because it will record all happenings. Okay, then after following the instructions and you already set up the camera, then you can already start viewing what is happening on that particular area where you place the camera. And then by the way, you can use the IP camera even if you do not have any Wi-Fi at home, because the camera has its own Wi-Fi hotspot. But then if you wanted to see what is happening in your area and you are far from that particular area, you need to have You need to have a Wi-Fi at home so that you can view what is happening inside your house even if you are away. Okay guys, as you can see, this is now the app, so you can just open it that way. And then I have already set up my camera using my Wi-Fi at home. So if you do not have any Wi-Fi at home, so you can set the network setting in the AP. So you can set it in the AP mode, so meaning you do not have any Wi-Fi at home. And then once you use the AP camera, AP mode by the way, so you need to connect first your cell phone to the wireline from the camera. I do not know if you can see that. So, and then you have to click next, and then after that you can now go back here. But then if you have a Wi-Fi at home, so your setting will be like mine. So I set that on the station mode. So the goodness of this is that you can see what is happening at home even if you are away. So if you, let us say for example, you wanted to monitor your children at home while you are at work, you can set the camera, or you set the network setting to station mode. Then you can just you will be asked what is your Wi-Fi device to be used, or ano yung gagamitin mo na Wi-Fi. Okay, then after that you can go back here, then you can just click it here. Okay, and then makikita mo na siya. Then it's live. It's happening. So we have several modes. Okay, you can have it here. So we are using this one. So this one also be, move it like that. Then you can also change the mode that way. Or this one. Okay, that's my son. Okay, then you can switch the light on. You have it here. So you can switch the light on. And then you can switch, if it's daytime, you can off the light. Yes. Then eventually it will record, even if you will not look into your cell phone all the time. You can monitor what is happening. If you want to check what is happening before, mayroon tayong playback dito. So mayroon tayong playback, then you can just search the file. So actually I used the camera for almost 2 days. That is why we have several recorded videos here. That is for 2 days now. So I haven't changed, or I haven't copied the videos to my laptop, so I will be removing the memory later on. Okay, so that's it. So that is how, and then you can play one, for example, let's have the last one. So let's on this one. So that's the recorded video. You can also view in any way you like. So that's the recorded. Again, if you are away from home, you can still use this one provided your camera is still connected with your Wi-Fi at home, and then you also have Wi-Fi outside, or you can use your data. That is how beautiful or wonderful this device. You can move this one by the way. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. Please do not hesitate to subscribe my channel and watch my future videos. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye.